Hello, it's Lucy from Ergobaby here. Today we have just taken delivery of the new Ergobaby Metro compact stroller. So I thought I would get it out, have a look at it, assemble it for you and show you how easy it is to do. I've never done this before, I've never played with it before, so I am learning as well as you are. So hopefully it will be easy to do and easy to show you. So I'm going to leave the newborn carry cot for now, but that's also available. So you use the main stroller from 6 months plus, but if you want to use it from with a newborn baby, then you can get this newborn kit here. But let's open the main thing. So this was only launched whilst everyone was at the nursery fair in Germany, in Cologne, which was about 3 weeks ago. So it's very exciting that it's already available in store and online. So I've just opened the box. We have got a rain cover, always handy. And then this is the main pram. All the bits and bobs that it comes with, all the packaging. Now we've chosen to show it to you in grey here today. Basically it comes assembled. Aha, here we go. There we go. So that's it. That was quite easy, wasn't it? Right, so on first impressions, you have got a really nice big canopy, which is quite unusual in some of the compact strollers. They can be quite small hoods. That looks lovely and large. You've got a little peephole here and ventilation, so you can just check if baby's asleep or awake. More ventilation at the back there for a baby to keep them cool. Okay, so this seems to be in the lie flat position. There we go. That's pretty flat, so even if you have got a newborn, you really can get a nice flat seat there. And it's also quite a long seat. Some of them can be quite short, whereas this looks nice and long. There's the adjustable footrest for you. Okay, this is quite good. So to adjust the height, you use this clip here. Pull it tight. That's quite standard. But what's quite clever is they've got a little pocket there, so you can hide your bits and pieces. You can also hide that, so it just looks really nice and neat there. Your basket's looking pretty good. It's quite a fairly decent size. Brake on the back just there. Easy to apply and lift off. Now let's have a go at folding it, shall we? As I say, I've never folded this before, so I'm just guessing that you pull it across, press it. There we go. That was easy, wasn't it? Really easy. And that's really light, really compact. And you just flick it out, whoop, put it back up again. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? So this is available on our website, Direct for Baby, www.directforbaby.co.uk. If you just search Metro, then you will see it. It's small enough to fit into most overhead cabin holders, as well as great for holidays, for if you've got a small boot, or if you are on and off public transport a lot and need to collapse it. It's got a one-hand fold, as you just saw there. Yeah, it's really nice. So please, and I think it's retailing at £200. But yeah, see you shop online now. Thank you.